Alright, hey YouTube. I haven't made a video in a while, but let me update you guys. I bought a Hellcat. I'm gonna keep it short and simple. I'm doing the first mod that everybody with a Hellcat does. Mid-muffler delete. This shit will be gone in probably like the next 10-15 minutes. So, hold on, let me show y'all the car. Yeah. But anyway, headed to Works Exhaust, finna get some gas and cut this shit off my car. See y'all in 10 minutes. I'm gonna let y'all hear it with the stock exhaust before I go cut it off. Hear how mild that is? You know us, we don't do mild over here. It go for broke TV. We don't do mild. Grass and shit. But I done made it to, there we go, Works Exhaust. All right, so today, all the way in the front, up there, it's probably hard to see, but it's got mids on it. If you want your shit to pop, these are called resonators. You take your mid muffler and your resonators off. Ooh, loud. But I don't want my shit that loud, so I'm gonna leave the resonators on. And if you want that badass shit, you delete the cats, go to underground tuning, and get you a flamethrower tuner. Might fuck your car up later on, I don't know, but hey, it's on you. For the time being, it'll shoot flames. This is my Uber driver. He already got his exhaust done. Rev it for me. So yeah, mine needs to sound like that. Mine probably be a little bit louder though. Goddamn challenger swallowing shit already. Yeah. Real trapper, real corner biller. Can't get this nowhere though. You know. And I just left the Cali with a 50 ball in my spirit. In my road runner, I need brand new tires. Right now as we speak. They do not fucking play. This is Lewis Automotive, where I bought my vehicle from. As you see, they keep something in stock. This is the gentleman who sold my car. How you doing, sir?
What's going on, man?
Yeah.
Y'all come get another one.
Yeah. It's his turn now. Look, I already got mine. It's his turn now. But as you can see, they have all types of nice shit. And everything be like at a good ass price. Like, I mean, like some of the best fucking prices I done seen. You know what these cost. He want 57. You probably don't know what these cost, but he only want 37. I know you know what this is, and it's the real one. My boy got them deals. 4x4 diesel trucks, 34,000. Gassers, 20 bands flat. Get around car, 89. Come to Lewis Automotive. Get you a wheel. Yeah, come on, bro. Let's see. Let's see what we're working with. Let's see what we're working with. Oh yeah, we're doing something now. $156.30. Count. So if you was wondering if you need to do a mid-muffler delete on your Hellcat, the answer is hell yes. Doubt about if you should get a mid-muffler delete, stop fucking doubting. Get that shit.